Rufus boy, let me love boy. I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy.
Hey my loves, guess where I am right now? I'm in Irvine Eye Spa. I'm going to my favorite spa in town. I don't know, my face is breaking out so much. I've been lacking of sleep, but finally last night I was able to sleep good, and 9 hours 9 hours of sleep, and I'm so excited. I feel so fresh. I'm gonna relax here today. Today is my lazy day, and I'm just checking out from my busy life. So this is like my relaxing place where I go when I don't want to be bothered by people. But I'm meeting one of my friends here, so it's gonna be an exciting spa day. This is not something that hurts. This is like one of my favorite. I like it here. I get the massage, relax. They scrub my skin, get rid of all this toxic dry and old skin. So yeah, that's what they do here. They also have restaurants, and yeah, I'm so excited. Warehouse from the outside. It doesn't look very appealing, but inside definitely there's a lot going on. About to eat right now. There's a Korean food here inside the spa. They have such a cute restaurant. This is Korean barbecue short ribs, and this is some tofu soup with vegetables, and of course the kimchi, some rice, and another tofu spicy with seafood. So yeah, this is so good. Well, I'm with my friend, but he's shy. Ready to eat with me? I'm so excited. This is Korean food with kimchi and all the spicy soup. Tofu soup. Have you had tofu soup? It's really, really good. It makes you drunk. Okay. Or it gives you energy. Let me see. Let me show you, okay, how to eat tofu. First, you have to blow it because it's hot. You don't want to get your tongue burned. You blow it like this. And then, oh my god, it's so good, but it's really spicy. I feel like I'm gonna cry right now. Let's try it again. It gets better the second time around. Kinda like, love the second time around is sweeter. What about the third time? Now, are you ready for my next soup? This is the vegetable soup. I don't know the name, but it has some rice patties, which is flat, like this. It looks like this, and looks good. I love it. Well, I'm getting a lot of pimples and breaks out because I haven't been sleeping well. I'm always excited where I'm eating next so I could show you, and I'm also excited about my shopping vlogs. I just can't wait every day and I just always think about you guys. What should I share next? Alright, let's go back to business here of eating. It also has some eggs. It's like scrambled eggs. Gyoza? Gyoza. It's so good. It looks like it has some meat and I think it's beef inside, and have some onions here. It tastes so fresh. It looks delicious and it's nutritious. All the shoes. Every time you go to a Korean restaurant, you really can't miss the barbecue. A short ribs barbecue is so good. Let me see. I'm gonna bite this little thing. Oh my god. It looks so delicious. I love barbecue. But I don't like this black thing right here. So I gotta have to take this out. I heard that this would cause cancer. So, oh gosh, let me pull it out. You know, the barbecue here is good, but it's not so soft compared to other restaurants. That's probably why I struggle pulling out these black weeds here. But it's still Korean barbecue. I like the flavor, the taste. Today I got lucky. It's actually soft. And here's the kimchi. So you eat the kimchi with it. Do you like kimchi? I do. It's good for you. Just like I like my little earrings that I got from the Philippines. It's a sweet little earrings. It's a shell, made of shell. I paid 50 cents for this. Little kids selling it in the street. I gave them a good tip. More expensive than what I paid for these earrings. I really miss Philippines. I will be coming there hopefully soon. I ate so much. I really need to have some dessert. You want to join me for dessert? Oh my god, look at this cutie. It's chocolate, dark chocolate. You like it? Well, I don't think you know how it tastes, so why I'm even asking you if you like it. That's silly of me. But let's eat it now. Let's try this. Dark chocolate. You want some? No, you can't have it because you're just watching me on the screen. So yummy. This is a surprise kale drink. I need some greens today to tie up my spa relaxing day. It tastes like kale. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I need some privacy here to talk with my friend and eat the rest of the cake, alright? like inside. Today is not too many people here, and we just lay on the floor. It's a hot marble floor, so nice.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here, cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
So this is the hot rooms here. They call this Bolgama. It's really hot inside. In English, it's fire room. And let me show you what's inside. So, oh my god, it's so hot. I want my cell phone be exploding here, so you can't really bring a cell phone inside. Hot steam room. And then they have the OnTheGo room. So that's what they have. It's the second room, and it's not as hot as the fire room. So it's like a dome shape. And then this is my favorite, the salt room. It has a Himalayan salt that absorbs body toxins. So cute. So you just lay down here on the floor. It's hot. Ooh, it's really hot in my feet. So it has the salt. Ouch! Ooh. It's burning my feet. But yeah, you lay down in these salt rocks, Himalayan rocks. Even the wall is all Himalayan salt. And then this one is the forest room. This one is very comfortable inside this room. It's just warm. Now this is the ice room. So it helps cool down your heated muscles. going right here. This is the part of Irvine that I really like. That is that restaurant Yiga. I like that, especially on the winter time. They have the best soup, best Korean soup that I like. And they have BCD over here. Tofu. And there's so many apartments now that are built here recently. So I'm going to this 85 degrees dim ho one. Oh, it's a dim sum. So this right here is like a line of all Asian restaurants. I wonder what they sell here. Sounds interesting.
It's good though, it is.
Oh, they said it's good. Now I'm going here. 85 degrees.